Making up your mind, understanding a key English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and commonly used English phrase, make up one's mind. It's a phrase you'll hear in everyday conversations, movies, and even in books. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding new words to your vocabulary. It's about grasping the nuances of decision-making in English. So, let's get started and explore what it means to make up one's mind. When someone says they need to make up their mind, they're talking about deciding between two or more choices. It's the process of coming to a clear decision after considering all the options. Think of it as selecting a path at a crossroads after thinking about where each path might lead. This phrase highlights the moment of commitment to a decision, where uncertainty ends and a clear direction is chosen. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. 1. Choosing what to eat. I can't make up my mind between pizza and pasta for dinner. 2. Making a purchase. She couldn't make up her mind about which dress to buy. 3. Career decisions. He finally made up his mind to pursue a career in music. These examples show the phrase in action, demonstrating how it's used in various contexts to express indecision and the resolution of that indecision. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can broaden your understanding and ability to express the concept of decision-making. Here are a few. Decide, settle on something, come to a decision, choose. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but may carry slight variations in nuance or formality. Making up your mind can be challenging, especially when faced with difficult choices. Here are some tips to help. 1. List pros and cons. Write down the advantages and disadvantages of each option. 2. Consult others. Sometimes, talking to friends or family can provide new perspectives. 3. Give yourself time. Rushing a decision can lead to regret, so take the time you need. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, make up one's mind, and how it is used in the English language. Remember, making decisions is a part of life, and being able to talk about it in English is a great skill to have. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and make up your mind to improve every day.